And this is the second of our big North Sea legs for now. This one's a bit shorter than the last one, it's 40 odd miles. And our goal is to get to Delfzijl, and we're in the Dutch canals. This is amazing, I'm so happy. So Hazel went off to find the Wi-Fi code at this motorboat marina. I think I'm running back and said, I found something really cool. Well, it should be an interesting one today. Today we're trying to get ourselves through the city of Groningen.
Keep walking in the wrong direction. Don't know to where I've been. Encouraged by my inhibitions, blinded by what I've seen. I'm heading back to where I'm going, back to who knows where and when. Through the monsters of my own worst daydreams, on my way to there and then. Still I keep on moving, on the path of no return. Keep on winning as I'm losing, watching my bridges burn, 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 burn.
Well, good morning all. It's about 20 to 7. We've been underway for about an hour and a half. Worked our way out of the channel, out of Norderney, which is a windy channel and partly very shallow and also partly quite strong currents. And now we're out, we've set our course for the Ems channel, the channel into the River Ems estuary. And as you can probably tell, motor sailing, there's a light beam wind, but with the motor running it gives us an apparent wind forward of the beam. Going, making good speed, and this is the second of our big North Sea legs for now. This one's a bit shorter than the last one, it's 40 odd miles. And our goal is to get to Delfzijl, which is how I pronounce it and not how anybody who's from the Netherlands pronounces it. So therefore I'm wrong, clearly. But that's the start of the Staande Mastroute. So there's a marina there and the locks where we can lock into the Staande Mastroute. Hazel phoned the harbour master there yesterday and she assures us that that the canals are open. We did hear that there was an issue with a bridge, but apparently that was last year and it's all clear again now. We hope that's right. Well, but you know, it was the proper harbour master, I'm sure he is right. So that's our goal today. Plug on down here. It's not that far till we start to turn, about 13 miles. Then we've got to work our way around a load of shallows before we actually get into the Ems channel. So it'll be a while yet. But, underway. Hazel's just been in the galley making the morning coffee and porridge. Show us your porridge, Hazel.
Porridge.
Oh, look at that.
Looks pretty
Food,
good.
breakfast of champions.
Yeah. Yay! And we are going 4.5 knots, over 4.5 knots sometimes. Woo! On a sail.
And not all that much wind, which is splendid.
Till the pilot is steering.
Yep.
And doing well.
I just scrub the deck.
Yeah.
Huh?
All the things you do early in the morning.
All the things you do.
just turned into the Ems, didn't we?
We did. Oh, sorry, I might speak into the camera. Yeah, we just turned into the Ems. It was a little bit lumpy at start with wind against tide, but it's calming down now. We're motoring, we're straight into the beach.
Yeah.
Bang on the nose. But because we've got the current with us, the tide with us, we're doing 5 and a bit knots.
Pretty good.
Jolly good, yeah.
20 odd miles to go.
Yeah, 20 odd. Yes, it is. What else? The lifeblood of the sailor. Yeah, yes, it is on the go. We are hurtling up the River Ems. We're doing about 6 knots. Motor sailing, just the main up. Got the current with us, of course. Hence, otherwise we wouldn't be going that fast. But it's worked out very well. You know, a few days ago we looked at the tides, and you know, clearly you can't change them, but noticed that they were ideally suited to this trip. So it's worked out perfectly. The Netherlands, it's perfect.
Not quite the windmills I was expecting.
So we're at the sea lock at Delfzijl, about to enter the Staande Mastroute through the Dutch canals. Let me show you the lock. It's closed. There's a couple of working boats in there. We don't know what they are because we can't see them, but they've got to come out. We've contacted the lock master, lock keeper on channel 60, and they're very polite, very friendly. Said we'll be in next go. Something about a freight ship coming. I don't know. We'll see how that works out. We can't see it at the moment. But yeah, very exciting. Guess we're coming up to that wet water mark there.
I guess so, yeah.
Another, what is it, 50 centimetres or so. I can reverse this a bit if we need to, but yeah. I'd rather you give us a big shove. Yeah. And we're in the Dutch canals. This is amazing. I'm so happy. Obviously it's not sailing country, although actually I don't think it's forbidden, and we could actually sail. I don't think we will today. Look at this. Yeah, the Netherlands. Well, we are higher than the land bit, so it's certainly nether. Yeah. So we're on the outskirts of Groningen. And this bridge here doesn't open in the rush hour time, so from 7 till 9 and 4 till 6 in the afternoon. And needless to say, we're here at 5, so got an hour to wait till it opens again. But there you go, got a little dock, well, a little row of pilings to tie to, and all's well. Wait.
Let's do something fun.
So Hazel went off to find the Wi-Fi code at this motorboat marina. I think I'm running back and said, I found something really cool. And took me up to see this. Have a look. It's all in the shed. Being protected, a couple of swallows flying around. Isn't that beautiful? They're not all lovely in here, but that's very cute. Bullabors. Glorious, love that. This one's lovely. I love that. In there and the detail on that boom crutch. What's going on, Hazel?
Oh, we're walking into town in Groningen.
Walking into Groningen. Quite an amazing place, actually. It's very different to anything you'd find in Germany.
Yeah, for sure. It kind of, you can't really describe it. It just has a different feel. I think.
Yeah, sort of more alternative. I
Yeah.
think.
Yeah.
The vibe, at least.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Time for a haircut. There we have it, before and after. Liverboards, aren't they? Good, aren't they? Well, it should be an interesting one today. Today we're trying to get ourselves through the city of Groningen through the canal network. There's lots of bridges. We spoke to one of the bridge warders yesterday and he suggested setting off at 9 o'clock should get us through, because a couple of the bridges have restricted opening hours, one particularly, so it only opens 3 times during the day. So it's now 25 to 9. We'll be getting ready soon and getting underway, and hopefully this will go okay. First challenge is to get out of the motorboat club marina that we're in, which is very tight, very tight. So that's our first challenge, to get out of here, and we'll see how it goes. So there's an outing here from the motorboat club, 15 boats going out at basically roughly the same time we wanted to leave. So that's all cool, we've got no problem with that. We just sit and wait till they're gone. There's no way we're getting out in their way. They've all got beautiful steel motorboats. It's obviously, you know, Dutch steel boats are famous, and they're absolutely pristine, perfect steel motorboats. You know, I'm no motorboat fan, but these are beautiful. He sure looks after it. Lovely to see a functioning club, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Double ender.
Absolutely insane, crazy. We're going through the middle of town basically.
In a sailboat.
It is so cool.
It's mad. We're going through the middle of town in a sailboat. Barrier's going down.
Alright. And it seems like when we went through the first bridge they asked us how far we're going, so we said that we were going through town, so now we haven't had to call any of the other bridges up, which is quite good, so they kind of know where we're going, or they're waiting for us, and then they're opening as we arrive, which is very cool. Next bridge coming up. That's still got a red light there, so. Me too, it's so cool.
I'm loving it.
waiting. But we'll have to be waiting too. This bridge only opens at 11:30, right?
Yeah, this is the one tricky bridge coming up, so we've got to make sure we arrive at the right time, and we're a tad early.
But it's not too windy, so...
No, there's a little bit of breeze behind us, which obviously pushes us on a bit, but it's light, very light actually.
Yeah, so hopefully we can just drift down this river.
Yeah, absolutely. There's a boat up in front of us, and I think our sneaky plan is to drift down behind that, a sailboat. They're Dutch, so I assume they know what they're doing as well. Unlike us. Yeah. So Groningen went very well. We passed the lock, the last lock, about, I don't know, 15-20 minutes ago. And there's a couple of bridges we've been through now, and then we're through it all, and we've got open water for quite a way. So lovely, and it was a great experience to sailboat, obviously we motored, but going through city centre, Groningen city centre with Tapatya. Fantastic experience. Absolutely loved it. Yeah. It's about 8 o'clock in the evening, and beautiful, beautiful, calm evening. And just have a look at this. It's the delightful spot, our spot for the night. Well, I'm talking to you today from basically the top of the Hazel, and we've gone on several days from the end of that video. We're really, really enjoying ourselves in the Staande Mastroute in Holland, there in the Netherlands. The scenery is beautiful, it's calm. There's lots of free docks to tie up for the night, and a couple of places to provision and whatever. So it's been really, really good. We will be heading on from here across the Hazel and towards Amsterdam. Oh, that's going to be a big one. Anyhow, that's it for this week. Thank you for watching. As ever, an enormous thank you to the lovely people who support us via Patreon and PayPal, paypal.me. If you'd like to get some more background information, I put bits up on the Patreon page every now and again, little bits of behind the scenes and extras and whatever. So get over there and have a look. And if you'd like to support the project from as little as the price of a cup of coffee a month, joining the crew on Patreon is a great way to do that. And the support from people like you really makes these videos possible. Right, that's it for now. See you next time. Bye.